How are you? What's your name? Do you speak English? I don't understand. Can you repeat that? Where is the bathroom? How much does it cost? I'm sorry. Thank you. Please. Excuse me. May I help you? I'm lost. Can you help me? Can you show me on the map? Can you give me directions to the nearest train station? How do I get to the airport? How long does it take to get there? Can you tell me the time? What time does the store open/close? Can you recommend a good restaurant? Can you recommend a good place to stay? What's the weather like today? Do you have any recommendations for things to do? What's there to do in this town? Can you recommend a good place to shop? How do you say this in English? How do you spell that? Can you write it down for me? How old are you? Where are you from? What do you do for a living? Are you married? Do you have any children? How many siblings do you have? What's your favorite hobby? What's your favorite food? What's your favorite color? Do you have any pets? What's your phone number? What's your email address? Do you have a business card? How can I get in touch with you? Can you give me your phone number? Can you give me your email address? Can I have your business card? Can we meet again sometime? Can we exchange phone numbers? Can we exchange email addresses? Can we be friends on social media?